Hello to all our students. So our first topic for this quarter 1 week 1 in Science 4 under Marpag curriculum is all about use information from secondary sources to identify a famous Filipino and or foreign scientist and their inventions. So this is already unpacked. So the specific objective that I need you to master at the end of this discussion is all about identify famous Filipino and foreign scientists and their contributions. The specific learning objective please read all together. So nowadays, people use sophisticated materials to make work easier and faster. Materials we use at home, in school, and in the local community are invented and created by scientists. Alright, so let us first have an activity. Next. Alright, so this is our lesson for the whole week. So for the teachers who are going to utilize this, you can just pause the video or the PowerPoint so that you can still give or have your own explanation about this topic. So I hope this helps. This has a PowerPoint. So if you want to download the soft copy of this PowerPoint, if ever, so for your future use,